Kerry Greenwell, Senior VA Loan Specialist here at Creekside Mortgage. Today I'd like to take some time to go through and discuss with you the advantages of using a broker versus a bank or a credit union. So when I opened this company in 2005, I opened it on the principles of going through and working with veterans, helping veterans on transactions. As being a broker a majority of my career, I know those distinct advantages. One is, I have the ability to go through and shop through multiple loans for you to find out where the best product that fits your means with the lowest interest rates. Our closing costs on a VA transaction are cheaper than most credit unions or banks. We do not charge origination fee, processing, or any application fee to go through and provide that services. We also pay for your credit report at our expense. So by removing some of those costs, it's to your advantage to not have to pay those, keeping your costs and everything else at a lower point. But the biggest advantages of a broker is I have the ability to go through and shop it through multiple places to go through and place your loan. So typically, we can always get you a better interest rate than most banks or credit unions can actually do. I'll tend to see them anywhere between an eighth to, in some cases, a quarter lower than what they're offering at those other places. And by simply not having an application fee, I've never been able to figure out to your advantage to go through and have to pay for something just to find out information. Now, one thing we do in the approval process, we do a little bit more lengthy in the very beginning to make sure that you are physically approved for something. And most banks will send you something saying you're pre-approved, and then you get through the process and find out they're going to ask you a lot more questions to go through and go, am I really approved? What we try to do is go through and get that information ahead of time so we're prepared for later on down the road. Our personal service here at Creekside Mortgage, you're always going to find a live body Monday through Friday to answer the phone as early as 7 o'clock in the morning and as late as 6 o'clock in the evening. I've opened this company based on those principles because I could never stand calling a company and getting a coda phone would always drive me nuts. So from that point of talking to the receptionist, we'll point you in the direction directly to a loan officer to be able to get your questions answered immediately. So that hopefully that answers some of your questions of the advantages of using a broker versus a bank. And if you have any further questions, please always feel free to call us anytime here at Creekside Mortgage, where it is truly based on veterans helping veterans through this process to try to make it as easy as possible for you, getting you the answer as quick as we can. Thank you.